Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and the USB cord to my printer recently broke, so I had to get a replacement. So I wanted to tell you about this awesome cable that I got. It does exactly what it's supposed to. It has a connection right here for your printer to connect to your laptop through USB. And it works great. I haven't had any issue with it, but I really like how well made it is. It's flexible, but it also very strong. You can tell right away that it's made out of a very good quality. And also the ends of the cable, as you can see, I really like the housing of the USB at the end of it. It's pretty strong, so you know it will last you a long time. So if you're looking to get a replacement cable to connect your printer to your laptop, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.